In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to add a black video in Adobe Premiere Pro. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is have your timeline open. Then from here, you need to go down to the new item down here in the left-hand corner and click black video. Then you have the opportunity to change the width, the height, the time basis, or the pixel aspect ratio. And you can just click OK when you're done changing that. Then from here, you can just drag it into your project folder into the timeline, like so. If you want to change the color of the background, you need to go over to Effects. You need to go over to the search bar and click in Tint. Then from here, you need to select the tint and drag it over to your black video, like so. Then from here up in the Effect Control, you can select the Matte Black 2 and change the color to whatever color you want to have on your video. That's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!